Do you know what I'm grateful for? I'm grateful for beautiful plants. Our plants are so important in our homes because it cleans the air.
That's right. Discover the amazing health benefits of having plants in your home. Plants do everything from purifying the air you breathe to reducing the stress and boosting your mood. Indoor plants are nature's secret weapon for a healthier, happier life. Watch to learn why adding greenery to your living space could be one of the best decisions you ever make for your well-being. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing out to your nearest plant shop. So let's get into it. Number 1, air purification. Let's start with this big one, air quality. Now, did you know that the air inside your home can actually be more polluted than outdoor air? Scary, right? That's where your plant friends come in. Let me tell you, plants like the spider plant, the peace lilies, the golden pothos, all of these plants are NASA approved as air purifiers. You know why? Because they absorb harmful toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide. These are chemicals commonly found in household furniture, cleaning products, and in your paint, in your walls. Plants have a calming effect whether you're at home or in the office. So you want to add some greenery to your environment today. Stay tuned for a longer version of this video where I break down all of the health benefits of having greenery and plants in your home and in your environment.
So there you have it. Whether you have a green thumb, a blue thumb, or whatever, if you can grow plants, try to get some in your home because it's good for you.
Just looking at greenery triggers a relaxation response in your brain.
And I pride myself on keeping this baby alive because I don't tend to have much of a green thumb. I've killed many plants in my life, but this one's been thriving for the past several years.
Growing a nice green plant like this one has a great way of relieving your stress.
If you don't have a green thumb, which I haven't had for many years, find plants like this one that's hard to kill. This one or even the aloe plant. I really love my little aloe plant that grows. See my little aloe plant? I really love my little aloe plant. It's growing actually next to my tree. And aloe is very easy to grow. It doesn't need not much water. All it needs is a nice healthy soil. That's specifically for aloe plants, and you will be just fine. This has been Nurse Sabrina Clayton. Get out there and get you some plants. Because if you're healthy, you're wealthy, and these plants will help add to that health.